Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Nada, and today for my informational speech, I'm going to be doing PlayStation and why I think it's the best console out there. So, to me, growing up, I would always want to come home for lunch and play video games on my PlayStation. And I would split half 20 of just playing video games, and then the other 20 of going outside for recess and playing with my friends. So I'd split it towards where I can have fun on the game and off the game. And I feel like it's better than Xbox because I had a PS4 and I did my research and everything like that, and I was gonna go with Xbox until I looked up like PlayStation has all these different qualities faster than Xbox does, and I've seen online that Xboxes have been blown out before because of overheating in game qualities, really. And I feel like PlayStation has a faster loading screen into games, and I would always sit there having an Xbox. I was always sitting there and having to load up a screen, and it was killing me. Or it would just turn red and destroy my Xbox. So I feel like PlayStation is a lot better in that quality. So now it's with the graphics. So growing up, there wasn't really the best graphics in gaming. But my favorite games now, growing up, was Call of Duty and sports games, and all throughout was a lot of fun to play. But now it's like if you really want to keep playing and you don't want to just play for fun and you want to actually like play for the quality and get your money's worth, then there's PlayStation VR where you're actually in the game and you can work out, exercise, or whatever you want to do towards that. Or you can go with a game that's just a controller in your hand and you can throughout play with the controller. So what I did was I upgraded to, I had originally a PS4 and then I upgraded to a PS5 because I felt like my PS4 was getting old and I didn't want to go with an Xbox because I heard about the situation that it was blowing up and everything. And so I went with the PS5 and I felt like it had better qualities. It's faster than any console out there of loading up a screen. It was crazy how I looked at it and it just blew up. Like it was so fast that I can literally just load in a screen within 10 seconds. So that was a great plus. The downside is it's probably the most expensive console out there, and if you're willing to spend and get your money's worth, I guess, then I would go with this. But I'm just saying that PlayStation in general has the best quality of consoles, and this just came out, the PS5, so I would wait on this. But the PS4 is like the second best. But they're both PlayStation consoles, so no matter what, I'd go with whatever one works your budget. And then my last one is, this is the console for you because once you get it and you want to play online, it gives you deals on the App Store once you get the membership of online. And that's with PlayStation Plus. And it gives you free games every other month, and it has like discounts where games are cheaper. And they're new games. They're not old games that came out 2 years ago. So I would prefer going with that. And this is why that I picked PlayStation, was because I felt like everyone needs to know that PlayStation is a better console than anything out there. And thank you for listening.